case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2016 case heard by the South Dakota Supreme Court, known as Hoffman v. Bob Law, Inc., the dispute focused on improvements mistakenly installed on a property and whether removing them would be fair to both parties involved. The homeowner, Hoffman, and the corporation were at odds over a transformer, concrete retaining wall, pad, and lamp pole. The circuit court denied Hoffman's claim for an implied easement, ruling the encroachments as a trespass and awarding the corporation nominal damages. The court made an error, however, in denying the corporation's request for a mandatory injunction to remove the encroachments. The corporation appealed the denial and the order, allowing the encroachments to remain until their future relocation. The court held that the circuit court correctly denied an injunction to remove the septic system due to disproportionate hardship and lack of evidence of actual damages. However, the court erred in addressing the remaining encroachments and required reevaluation based on relative hardship and equities. Justices Severson, Wilbur, Kern, and the Chief Justice all agreed with this decision.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.